Meaning of dismay.
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 Dismay. Dismay is an emotional state of distress or disappointment that often arises from an unexpected or unpleasant event. When someone experiences dismay, they may feel anxious, uncertain, or frustrated. This can manifest in physical symptoms such as a rapid heartbeat, sweaty palms, or shortness of breath. The result of dismay can be a loss of confidence or motivation, and it may also lead to decreased productivity or difficulty making decisions. It is important to work through feelings of dismay in order to regain a sense of control and move forward in a positive direction.